So, if, say, for instance, you know how we were like taught and we were raised that we're not supposed to have premarital sex, right?
Mhm,
Everybody's supposed to have sex when you're married, all
mhm.
of the things. What if you marry someone that you are physically like you're attracted to because they look really nice to you, they're really good, and you love this person, but you've never had relations with this person, and once you do, it's like, Lord have mercy.
Oh my gosh. Yeah,
What
that's
do
a good
you
one.
do?